What's up, guys? It's X2Rabby2X here, and bringing you another Minecraft modding made easy. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make food. Now, this should be pretty easy. So the tutorial should be sort of quick, but I say that all the time. So let's go ahead and get at it. So first of all, we want to go to our MCP and create some kind of a custom texture for the food. Now, if you haven't watched my last video, you probably should, because instead of going into bin, you're going to want to go in Eclipse, Client, Bin, and all your textures are here. Now, I made this texture right here. It's called Blocky and Nom Nom, and I basically retextured a cookie. So we have this, and I simply put it in your client bin. Just put it in there. Exit out of that. Alright, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and declare it. So final item Blockium Nom Nom equals new, and now it's kind of the same like you did with item armor, is that there's one class for all food. So you're going to do item food, and the constructor is also different. So first put an ID in there. So we 612, I'm just following numerical order. Now next is the amount of half hearts that you want to heal. So if we put in 20, it would heal 10 hearts. I mean 10 hunger. If we put in 10, it would heal 5 hunger. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it to 5, so it heals 2.5 hearts. I mean 2.5 hunger. So you would need 4 cookies or 4 Blockium Nom Noms to fully heal. And then the next one is, I don't really know what the next one is, so let's look at the item food. Now, okay, so this is the one we're using right here, and you're basically passing in a int I, which would equal super I. Okay, so I is the ID, it's the first one. Then we're passing J, which is heal amount, and that's counted in half hearts. I mean half hungers. I don't know, I keep saying hearts. And then Boolean flag, this is it wolf's favorite meat? Meaning pretty much, will it heal a wolf? Now you can set this true or false, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you can just leave it on true if you want to heal your wolf. And now this one is, this is what defaults is a 0.6F saturation modifier. And I am not sure what that is, but all the other foods, if you look in item.java, all the other foods like item soup, no, where's some item food? Item food 0.6. So I'm just gonna see, like pork raw, pork cooked has a 0.8. I don't know. I think it's just like how efficient the food is. I'm not sure, but yeah, we can mess around with that. But I'm just gonna leave it because we're using this constructor right here. If you want to use this constructor right here, you want to add an extra float before the flag. So let's go and true. So now that we have this, so it's an ID of 612, it heals 2.5 hunger or 5 half hungers, and it is, you can heal a wolf with it. So let's go ahead and what else do we need? Oh yeah, set item name. Set item name. It's called a Blockium Nom Nom. And alright, so we have it declared and initialized. So let's go under and into our mod underscore Blockium right after our glass, because I want to kind of put it between the weapons and armor and the blocks. So let's go ahead and make a comment block with nom noms. What we want to do is just give it a name. Oops, modloader that add name Blockium Nom Nom, and name Blockium Nom Nom. Alright, next we want to give it a texture. So Blockium Nom Nom dot icon index equals modloader dot add override, and we want to override the GUI items.png Again, do not forget that, I don't know what you might forget, but I know some people will forget, and do not forget the slash and the PNG ending. Blockium Nom Nom. So this is how we saved our texture, is Blockium Nom Nom.png. And we're pretty much done. I mean, we just need to put it in game, and what I actually did is let's go find entity Earth. Whoops. Entity Earth Golem. Yeah, what I actually did right here, let me actually save that so it gets rid of the error. Under Get Drop Item ID in one of my Entity Earth Golems, I made it so when it dies, it drops that cookie, it drops that Blockium Nom Nom. So, other ways you can do this, I guess you can make a crafting recipe to get this, or you could smelt it, which I guess works because they're like baking cookies. I don't know. But the easiest thing is to make some kind of an entity drop it. Now you probably have no clue what's going on here. That's because I'm getting 2 NPCs during the weekend, probably. Most likely during the weekend. But just don't worry about this now. It's just a way of getting the food inside the game. So we pretty much have everything. Let's go ahead and play. Sure, save that. I did a little preparation, so I have, what do I have? I don't have anything. Yep, I don't have anything, but I mean, I have my full blocking set up. But let's make us a golem. Those that follow my magic progress, I didn't make it so you don't shoot anymore. You kind of just use it, and it appears. So let's go ahead and burn those. I also lowered their health so they die quicker. Where'd the Nom Noms? What? Why did it drop nothing? Is it like a random drop chance? What's going on? I'm gonna kill more of them. No! Why did it do this? Huh. I was just testing. I mean, I know it worked. What is going on? It may be that I set this, I set them as mobs so they don't drop it. Huh. They only drop it during the night. So I guess I'll be right back when there's nighttime, and I'll test this out again. So I'll be right back. Alright, well, never mind. I found out why it doesn't work. It's not because that they're mobs, because they're not mobs. It's actually, there's a certain drop rate on them. I forgot totally about that, so I'm just going to spawn a lot of them. I'm just going to kill them all at once, and hopefully some of them will drop the cookies. I have some cookies right now in my inventory, but we're just not going to count those. Alright, so let's go ahead and burn all of these. Yeah, I see cookies. Oh, that may be why they're not dropping them, is because the lightning actually... Alright. Yeah, the lightning actually kills the cookies. It destroys the cookies. So that works, I guess. So we got our little Nom Nom. Actually, I have 7 of them. And let's see, we have 4 hunger right now. Well, like 3 and like 3/4. Let's eat. That healed 2 hunger, and this healed 2.5. So, yeah, that half mark on that hunger is really weird. So it does heal 2.5 hunger each, and it's awesome. And it has that little Nom Nom animation, and yep, here's your food. It really can't get much easier than that. So, yeah, make sure to like the video if you liked it. Put some comments, suggestions, questions, whatever you got in the comment section, and subscribe for more videos. And overall, just thanks for watching. See ya.